Okay, and take a chair, only 2 blocks, and take the chair here. How much gap in between the block and the chair? It is like say 1 block a gap from the chair leg or from here. Okay, 1 block a gap, 1 vertical block a gap here. Then block together. Then put your right knee on the block, toes pointing up to the chair. So put your right knee on the block, toes up to the chair. Okay, flat toe. Keep raising the toes up. Then push your hip down, high thigh length. Push your hip down first. Maintain the front knee 90 degree. Now slowly twist to the right side. Slowly twist to the right side. Now same as before, what you did in the warm up. Bend your right leg with the help of right hand. Then with the help of left hand, catch your big toe. Then right hand on the chair. Then slowly raise the elbow above the head. Keep looking to the chair. Now straighten your both hand, straighten your leg if possible. Now if possible, the hand which is on the chair, try to take it down. Try to take it down if possible. So this will be more advanced. Or if possible, on the mat. If possible, on the mat. Okay, so the hand which is right hand. Okay, thalam. Now see this way. First knee here, toes here. See, both hand to the right side. Okay, here. But don't forget to push the hip down. Miss Nita, don't forget to push your hip down. After once you push the hip down, then next don't raise the hip up. Hands on the chair. And just keep looking to the right side, behind. Just till here. Okay, just keep looking right side. Stay there. Maintain balance. Maintain your left knee 90 degree. Keep pushing the hip down. Look right side. Look behind. Okay. Ready, everybody? So, now similarly, you have to try with the chair. Okay. See it this way. Similarly, you have to try with the chair. First I show you the easy one, then after this I show you difficult one. Okay, and no. See, first push the hip down. So see, 90 degree. Be aware with the body. 90 degree. Push the hip down. High thigh. Now twist to the right side. See, twist the both shoulder. Okay, twist. Now shoulder position and hip position same like warrior 2. Warrior 2, not warrior 1. After this, if possible, hook your toe under your chin. Hook your toe under your chin and hold the chair. Then with upper hand, catch your elbow. Okay. Now hooking your toe under the chin, it will be a little bit difficult. Now those who can do till here, straighten the leg. Straighten the leg. Slowly, slowly. In the end. Okay, in the end you have to straighten the leg. Okay, now if you can find the balance, raise the hands up, high thigh length, down thigh. If you can find the balance, interlock your finger in the end. So this will be the final pose. Thalam. First, push the hip down. First push the hip down as possible. Hip down. Maintain front knee 90 degree. Just still here. Touch your heel to the hip. Or if possible, hook your elbow to the ankle. Hold it here. See, don't go here. Don't directly go in final product. Do half here. Hold here. Then slowly, slowly rotate from the shoulder. Look behind. If you can't, you can hold with the strap. See, if you can't, hook it here. If you can't hold the strap, then slowly up here. Look behind. Look behind. Okay. Or another member, if you can't hook it to the chin, bend the knee, hold the toe, and same as before. Look right side, same as before if you can't. Already, everybody. Put your knee on the block. See here what you have to do. Take one block. Put your knee on the block. Another knee on the chair. Okay. In the end, if possible, you need to sit on the heel in the end. Okay. But sitting will be very difficult. It requires good quadriceps and hip flexor flexibility. In the end, if possible, sit on the heel. Okay. But it will be difficult. So Miss Rose, you can try, and even Miss Bismi, try to sit on the heel in the end. Okay. Now, in the beginning, what you have to do, block a little bit closer. What will be the feet position, heel position? Straight on the edge of a chair. Okay, here. Heel will be a toe tucked in, heel and the chair edge straight here. Then after that, forward bend like cat pose. Put your knee there on the chair. Okay, then catch it here. After that, slowly come up here. Now everything same as before. If possible, hook your toe to the chin and interlock. If you can't, catch your toe and raise it up. Bend the knee with opposite hand. So catch the big toe. Then hand on the chair. Then slowly raise your elbow above the head. Look behind. Okay. If can't, hook it here. Hold it here and raise the elbow up. Look behind. Okay. Now sit on the heel. So see, right now feet is here. For you, you need to take the block slightly forward, little far. Okay. Then first come in the pose, then in the end try to sit down, sit on the heel. Okay. So ready, everybody? So easier is heel and chair in one line. Little difficult to sit on the heel slightly far from the chair. Take it, everybody. Yep. See here, standing will be a little bit difficult directly with the chair. If you can't do this one, then I show you a little bit easier. Okay, see what you have to do. How much gap in between the wall and your leg? Straight hand. First, touch your wrist to the wall. Now, front leg 45-degree cross, feet. Take the knee. Okay, and with the leg do internal rotation, same like Hanumanasana. Okay, knee pointing down. Now take your knee with the hip level, not above. See, this is above, little down. Okay, now bend the both leg. You need to bend the both knee. After that, same. You need to bring, go closer to the wall, touch the toe, and arms here. If possible, you can a little bit sit down. Okay, but don't take your toe off the wall. If you take your toe off the wall, it will slide down. So once again, lower feet 45-degree cross, then take the knee there. Or you can forward bend to take your feet there properly. After that, slowly you need to come up. Then hold the feet. Don't take this leg off the wall. If you take it off the wall, can't grip. It will slip down. Then take your upper body towards the wall. Upper hand touch the toe. Then the hand which is to the wall, take it up. Look right. Look behind. Okay. So both knee will be slightly bent, but not easy. So see what you have to do. Those who can't, take the chair. Okay. Forward bend. Hook your, rest your toes on the chair. Okay, both legs straight. Then after that, front feet 45-degree cross, stand up. Tilt to the right side. Straighten the both hand here. Lock the knee. And look to the right here. Straighten here. If possible, catch the ankle or just here straight. Look to the right. Straighten the hand. Both legs straight. Look to the right here. Keep going closer. Okay. Now try everybody.